Hey! In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.6, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this HUAWEI. Firstly, go into Settings and scroll down, then click on Security section. From here, you need to click on App Lock under Security Features and choose Enable. Now tap on one of those options. You can use your current screen lock to unlock your apps as well by choosing lock screen password or create custom PIN only for app lock. I will go with custom PIN. Now you need to create it, and when you're ready, repeat it in order to confirm it. Finally, answer this security question and choose Finish. If you don't like it, just click on it, tap on one of those, or select Custom Question and create your own. Then click on OK, and remember to answer correctly below. Finally, choose Finish and click on the switcher next to an app that you wish to lock, in my case App Gallery. So now when I go back and try to access it, as you can see, PIN is now required. If you wish to disable app lock from one of your apps, go into the same settings, enter your PIN or screen lock, and tap on the same switcher. In order to disable app lock completely, tap on this blue switcher next to app lock feature at the top, choose Disable in the pop-up, then enter your login method, and now it's disabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!